Good evening. My name is Melinda Taylor, and I have the honor and privilege of serving as principal here at E.L. Wright. I've spent lots of time here at E.L. Wright. I've been a sixth grade ELA teacher. I've been the curriculum specialist. I've been the IB coordinator. I've been assistant principal, and now I am the principal. I love this school. It is a part of who I am. I believe in teaching and learning, and I absolutely love working with the teachers and staff here. I think we do a great job of preparing our students for high school and for the future. Our goal here is to show that we work together as a team, that we have respect for each other, and that we're here to support each other. I think we do a great job of that, and as principal here, I am so interested in helping our teachers get whatever resources that they need to help them be successful with our students. It's all about students, parents, teachers, community, all of us working together to make E.L. Wright a success.
Hi, I'm Ms. Young, the Assistant Principal for Instruction, as well as the IB Magnet Coordinator. This is my 4th year at E.L. Wright, and what I love most about our school is working with our teachers. We have an amazing group of teachers that exhaust a tremendous amount of effort and energy to design authentic and engaging lessons for our students. This year, I look forward to working with our students, our parents, and our teachers as we continue to grow, learn, and be premier.
Hello, I'm Mr. Crowley. I'm the 8th grade assistant principal here at E.L. Wright. What I like the most about working here is interacting with our students and our teachers in any way possible that I can help them out. Hopefully I'll get to see everybody back here at school as soon as phase 2 starts. Thank you and have a great night.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Evans and I'm the 7th grade assistant principal here at E.L. Wright. One of the things that I love about working at E.L. Wright is that our students, faculty, and parents all work together to make sure our students succeed. We have a positive culture and amazing students. You are the heart of what we do, and I enjoy working with you. I look forward to reconnecting with familiar faces and getting to know our new Warrior family. Can't wait to see you.
Hello, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you to E.L. Wright Middle School, home of the Warriors. My name is Calvernetta Williams Brown, and I am the 6th grade assistant principal. We have a saying here, 3 to get ready. That means we have 3 years to get you and your child ready for high school. Statistics show that even though students are only with us for 3 years, the most amount of growth occurs right here at middle school. Please know that we are dedicated to making this journey the best possible journey that it can be, helping your students succeed the right way. It's going to be a great year.
Hello, Warrior family. My name is Dr. Tara Wright, and I am the Curriculum Effectiveness Specialist here at E.L. Wright Middle School. The thing that I love most about my job is I get the opportunity to work with all faculty, staff, parents, and especially students each and every single day. We are off to another great school year, and I want to say thank you to everyone for all of your hard work and dedication to this school year. I am looking forward to seeing each of you very soon. Please remember, #Warriors, we do it the right way.
Hello, my name is Wendy Willingham. I'm the Technology Learning Coach here at E.L. Wright Middle School. One of the things I love about my job is to help teachers and students find new and innovative ways to use technology for learning, teaching, and growing. I love E.L. Wright because we have such a family atmosphere and we're willing to help and support each other. I hope to see you soon. Go Warriors!
For us to be warrior strong, it takes all of us working together to make our team a success. So in that vein of thought, we're encouraging you to please consider joining our school's PTO. They do so much for our students and parents, and we would love for you to be a part of the PTO. In addition, we invite your decisions and your help with our School Improvement Council. At E.L. Wright, we have lots of things that are going well, but we're always looking at ways to improve. So please consider joining our School Improvement Council. Our teachers have been fully engaged in learning new things. School is all about learning, and our teachers have been learning new techniques and new strategies through attending workshops on e-learning over the summer and in the fall. They're really up to the challenge, and we know this because as administrators, we have been in classrooms and we have seen some amazing learning occurring. Our staff is very supportive. Ms. Willingham, our technology learning coach, is invaluable. She has spent countless hours helping our parents, our students, and our teachers be their very best at e-learning. Now it's the opportunity and time for you to actually go inside a classroom virtually and see what's going on. You'll have the opportunity to listen to our teachers tell you about their content area and their expectations. So we're expecting a great night and have fun learning a whole new way.